Hello, my name is Raymond Karczewski, and this is coming to you from my home here in Cave Junction, Oregon. The subject tonight is hypnotized Americans and their court system. Let me begin tonight with a public reprimand. Just what the hell is wrong with you people? Why don't you get it? You are the sovereign people, the creator of government. Those who have you running around in circles are the lawyer-trained public servants who are employed by you and work for you. You are not their slaves. They have no power over you unless you authorize it. Give it to them. Are your skulls so thick that you cannot see that those who make the rules win the game? I have personally stood up to the courts of Oregon and Josephine County and stood them down with the only way which transcends, that is, transcend their illusory satanic power. I did it with the power of truth, demanding that they, the fictional entity, for government is a non-living concept, prove jurisdiction over me or any other living, breathing, flesh and blood, sentient, natural man or woman. They did not. They could not, and have not done so, even unto this day, some 9 years later. Sure, they continued with their black-robed railroad job in 2 unlawful trials, but when it came time for sentencing, I refused to accept their contract offer to incarcerate me, and they had no choice but to release me. What could be simpler? Yet you still don't get it. What the hell is wrong with all of you recliner chair pontificators who run hither, thither, and yon, searching the satanic lawyer manuals, trying to outlawyer the satanic minion lawyers, when the solution is as simple as you saying, "You work for me. I am not your slave," unless you can prove that fiction has power over truth. What's it going to take to break the trance that binds you? Your satanic-ruled intellect is your own worst enemy, and you are blissfully oblivious to it all. I have written voluminously on the matter, which is found on my website, arkenterprises.com, and you folks ignore it in favor of bowing and scraping before your public servants. Such insanity cannot be improved upon, can it? You are going to get your butts handed back to you in the upcoming Richard Koenig trial, and when you do, you will just go back to your books and case precedents, which have no power over living men and women, but apply to non-living, fictional, corporate persons. Isn't that what God intended for each of you? Either learn who and what you are, and why you are here on this earth, or live in hell as the alternative. You shall reap the ignorance that you so widely sow.